Oh my god. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You can literally see Draco in the mirror like ripping the bed. That's what the noise of all the walking around and like crying is. You might be wondering why I look like a meth head. It is because today I'm doing a makeup routine and I'm just out of the shower. My hair is always a mess, but it's more of a mess than usual. And I have no makeup on and I look like a drug addict recovering or something. Like, yeah, this is me. So I thought today I would do a makeup routine, show you guys how I can go from a 1 to a 6. I also mentioned that all of these steps are probably really wrong. I don't follow the rules of makeup all the time. I kind of don't know what I'm doing. I just don't work through my face. So the first step is to get primer. I have this one by e.l.f. I just used it. Oh my god, my fucking nails, don't look at that. I'm putting it on my face because apparently that's what you're supposed to do if you're a beauty girl. I mean, it's just not even gonna go by my head. The next thing I do is to get my foundations. I have 2 e.l.f. foundations in the shades Sand and Porcelain because I have to mix the two of them. I usually wear Porcelain when I'm not wearing tan, but right now I'm wearing tan, so I have to use both of them together because one of them's too dark and I just mix them. I don't fully know, is that a thing? Just literally take a squirt of the sand and a squirt of the porcelain like this, and then I just literally put it on my face. I love the way it like does 2 colors. It's like, hey. So I literally just put that all over my face. I'm using a lot today because I'm filming for the whole day and then I might take some pics later, so I want this to stay on for like the whole day, so I'm just really putting on a good bit of foundation. The next step in this tutorial is going to literally cause a fucking riot in the beauty community because it's probably so wrong. I do my contour then on top of my foundation because is that not a thing? Apparently it's not. I'm just using, oh wow, that was fucking Inception, look at that. What? Oh my god, look. Yeah, so I'm just using the lightest shade on this little brush. It doesn't have a name because I don't have like numbers of brushes. I just have ones from like AliExpress. Then I literally just go like this and go onto my cheekbone or whatever and just try and make me look like I have more of a cheekbone and hope for the best. Perfect. I'm just gonna do a little bit of nose contour because I like to have a snatched nose. Even though I have a very small nose, thankfully, it's one thing I would never have to get surgery on, but I would defo get lip fillers because I have no fucking lips at all. Like, so now once I've done a bit of my nose contour, the next beauty sin we're doing is probably so fucking wrong. I'm literally just taking my Natural Collection powder. Yeah, I'm just taking my powder and I'm literally just going all over my face. It's probably fucking wrong, I don't know. I have this dirty e.l.f. palette with like a few little shades. I really don't care about eyeshadow. I'm not like an eyeshadow girl. I do love like the Jeffree Star palettes and they're really cool, but I like don't know how to do eyeshadow. And I literally just take a random brown and I literally just put... That was not supposed to fucking happen. What the fuck? And I'm just doing a small bit of brown. Now I literally just do some highlight. So I'm gonna just brush my eyebrows that I have so much of. They're actually bigger than they were before. I used to have like no eyebrows. Now I have like a tiny bit of an eyebrow. My highlighter is literally in pieces and I'm poor, so I don't have a new one. I just literally put a lot in my under eyebrow thing. I'm really loving that recently. It gives me higher brows and I like it, and then I just also put a little bit in the corner. Some on my cheekbones. Like that. Yes. I only got into nose highlighting nose highlighting like well, in the last like 6 months, but I really love doing it. It's so cute. So I just go like this with an eyeshadow brush, and I also do like a little bit on my actual nose. You can't really tell, but yeah, I love doing the tip of my nose. I think it's so cute. Yes. So for my eyebrows, I am using e.l.f. eyebrow stuff. All my stuff is basically from e.l.f. except occasional like Wet n Wild or something. I don't know how well this is gonna go. I think I might do them off camera, honestly, because I'm probably gonna fuck them up in this mirror. So I'll be back in a second and I will have eyebrows. Now that I have my eyebrows done, I'm going to do my eyeliner. So I'm just using e.l.f. eyeliner. I literally can't do it. Okay, I'm just like go over here. Now you can see my like back. Great. My family has this joke that I was born with winged eyeliner on because I've been doing it every day since I was literally like 12. Now I'm just gonna do mascara. I am using more e.l.f. mascara. I literally just put it on. Oh. So the lashes I'm using are these ones. People ask me a lot what lashes I use. They are the Sosu ones. I get them in pennies, or they're called Primark in England. These bitches, I'm gonna put them on now. Now my lashes are on and I look like a cute little doll again. Yes, just put on them on with Duo Glue. And for my lips, I'm just going with a simple e.l.f. lip pencil thingy. It's not a liquid lip because I'm going on a bus and I don't want my lips to get all dry. Normally I would overline them, but not with this kind of stuff. I only overline with liquid lips. Woo. Okay, so, oh no, the hair though. So once again, I am just using e.l.f. setting spray. This is really good on my fucking dirty makeup pans. So I'm just gonna do this all over my face. I feel like such a beauty guru whenever I use setting spray because they all have it and they're like, Jeffree Star is fine. He's not even, he doesn't know who I am. So guys, that is, I guess, my everyday, not everyday, but life, YouTube, Instagram, going out, I guess, maybe a bit more smoky if I was going out, makeup look with the products I use, and basically how I do it. So that's how you can go from a 1 to a 6 with just a few products. Everything here was vegan and cruelty free, non-animal tested makeup products, because you know I'm vegan and that's what I advocate for. Thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, you can subscribe, you can like and subscribe down below. All my social media will be linked in the description. So I hope everyone is having a good back to school time or whatever. Maybe I will do a vlog of like my college day or something. If you guys want to see that, let me know. Thanks everyone for subscribing to me. I love you all so much, and as I always say, do your makeup. Don't be sad that you look like a one without makeup. Do your squats, don't let boys be mean to you, and I will see you in the next video. I love you guys. Mwah. Bye.